Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on declining a signature request in BoldSign. Declining a signature request refers to politely refusing to sign a document. This can happen if you don't want to sign the document due to lack of info, wrong information, documents sent by mistake, and more. The individual who is designated as the signer holds the authority to decline the signature request document if they do not wish to sign it. When a document is shared with multiple recipients and one signer declines, it will prevent other recipients from proceeding with the signing process. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider your decision before declining a document. The decline option can also be hidden when sending out documents for signature by the sender. Let me now explain how to decline a signature request. Consider a scenario in which there are multiple signers, and one of them decides to decline the document because of some errors in the document. Let me show you how to do this. I've received the signature request email for signing a document. I click Review and Sign to open the document. I then agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue to proceed to the document signing page. As I see there are some issues in the document, and I don't want to process further, so I decide to decline the signature request. For that, I click the More Actions button, which displays a list of options. Here I can choose to download the document, reassign, decline, save, see shortcuts, and access more information. In this case, I click the Decline option, and a pop-up is displayed. I then enter the reason as mistakes found in the document, and click the Decline button. The document is successfully declined. Likewise, the decline of signature requests can also be done on the application. Declining the document triggers a notification to all other signers involved in the approval process. Also, all the other signers cannot sign this document, as it has been declined by one. This is all about how to decline a document in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.